Hello everyone, Anthony Sequeira here, and it is time for us to launch into section 2 of our Certified Associate Python Programmer course. And what are we going to be covering in this section? Well, it's not going to be brand new content for you once again, so this is great. If you were with me in the entry-level Python programming training that we did, you're going to see that this section is not brand new. No, we are going to talk about exceptions. And you know that we covered these from a very introductory entry level in our previous course. So section 2 is going to be all about what happens in a program when there is an error. We know that we like to say, in our conversations, right? We take exception with something that just happened. Yeah, if we're upset, we take exception with what someone said or someone did. Well, just think about this with your Python programs. When there is some type of an error, the program is going to take exception with this. And we are going to delve into this in much more detail. Notice on your exam, you can expect just 5 items to be dealing with this subject matter. So like the previous section, section 1, this is not an intense, heavily tested area. It's only 14% of your total exam. So what is it that we're going to be delving into on the topic of these exceptions? Well, we're going to do 2 things. We're going to talk to you and make sure you intimately understand how errors are handled by Python using the defined exceptions that come with Python. Yeah, this reminds me of our look at modules, right? We began by discussing those modules that are readily available for us out there. And then sure enough, just like we did with modules in creating our own, we're going to do the same thing here with exceptions. We're going to go in and learn to extend the Python exceptions using a hierarchy of self-defined exceptions. And so that's really cool, right? The ability to not only leverage those built into Python, but also create our own custom exception handling. So let's get started, everybody. I hope you're excited to start section 2 like I am, and I'll see you in the very next video.